Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Epicure. So it is April 2020. Things have definitely changed, even for those of us who are Epicure consultants selling Epicure. I haven't noticed a bad difference at all. In fact, I am getting more customers and more sales than ever before. And I'm a consultant that kind of went against the grain a little bit, meaning I do not do any in-person classes. Mine have all been online. I've been selling now for about 4 years. And now that the world is more online than ever, consultants are coming to me saying, how do you do your online classes? How do you make sales? How have you been selling Epicure for this long? Can you help us? Because we're so used to doing in-person classes. And I do always say that in-person classes will sell more because people can, see Epicure, taste it. It's amazing, but I just don't have time for that. So I do everything online. So I teach everybody how to do online classes. Those who have no clue, those who are not like technical savvy at all, trust me, you can do it. You can even do something as simple as posting a link to your cooking class and say, hey guys, here's the link to the Epicure catalog. If you want something, let me know. Just purchase through this link so that it gets put under your specific class, or they can send you a message to order through you. And the more you sell, the more commission you make. And if you sell at least $250, you get about $25 in free product credit plus 1/2 off items. So that can actually go to you, or you can tell your customers that you will be doing a draw who will get all of that free stuff. So the best thing to do as a consultant is to, tell customers like, hey, well, if you want some free Epicure stuff, it makes sense to host a cooking class. So you can do a whole event online, or like I said, just simply tell them to post the link to their cooking class, post some Epicure pictures, sort of anything, post a link to the Epicure catalog, and they can tell everybody they know, hey, if you're looking to purchase something a lot healthier, we have meal packs, we have cookware, we have everything, instead of just, ordering it from like Walmart or the Bay or wherever. How about you support me and my small business, and order through me, and it gets shipped right to you. The more people who do order from that link, they will get free stuff. So it is that easy. And now, you guys, is the best time because everybody's online. Everybody's asking, oh my God, what's for dinner? What's for lunch? What's for dessert? What's for breakfast? We have meal packs. We have all kinds right now. Take a look because you will want something, trust me. Like just the other day, okay, we have a chili meal pack. I had made that. We have leftovers for probably about 2 days. We have a taco meal pack, which I was making tacos. We have a banana bread meal, or a banana bread like package, where it took me 8 minutes. 8 minutes to make amazing tasting banana bread, which may seem impossible, but it is possible. If you cook a whole chicken in our steamer, it takes 14 minutes in the microwave. That's it. So like all of the like sauces, juices stay in there. Amazing. Geez, what else have I been cooking? I made our mac and cheese. We have a meal pack on mac and cheese. Amazing. Lasagna meal pack, shepherd's pie. Like we have all of that, where literally all you have to do, I wish I had a meal pack with me to show you guys, but you just take a meal pack, look at the probably 3 different things you need, open up the meal pack, put it in there, from raw to ready in 20 minutes and under. That's incredible. So sign up now, you guys, as a consultant, because you can get all of that, or purchase as a customer. So I will leave the links for you guys on the bottom. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon.